Morning. Morning, everyone. I'm here at the store. I think that this may be the last time I do these loads. First of all, when I got the paperwork for this load, she's like, yeah, we've only got 2 more trucks going out. Well, I told her, I said, I'll see you next year then. And then I'm starting to change my mind. I may not do these anymore. My shadow right there. I think my shadow makes me look fat. That's what it is. This is the reason why I'm saying this may be the last time. This is the loading dock, or the unloading dock. And here's the thing. It'd be one thing if we just got just a little bit. No. This is a floor-loaded trailer. Now, the past loads that I've done two other loads with these people. First one was like halfway loaded. It was only half loaded. Second one, maybe 3/4. You know, and that took a lot of time. No, this one is the full trailer. I got the seal on it still, but where I show you. But it is a floor-loaded trailer and 53 foot. Turns out I was at the wrong suite. I mean, I'm same building, but I guess I went to the one from last year, and they're on the corner. So this is a better situation. They got a whole, I guess they have about 15 people here, or so, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10. I didn't count, but and they got the roller things to convey. It's not a conveyor belt, but you know, one of those roller deals. So I went back around and got in this one. Now I have to go and someone had like dropped a trailer over here, and it made it really difficult to kind of make a turn. But anyway, I made it. Why? Because I'm freaking that good. I don't want people to sit there and think, oh, my head is swollen. It may be just a little bit swollen, you know. But I'm like, it was just like, that was my knee-jerk reaction on, you know, what I was feeling and how I was feeling as I got right back in the truck, and I just turned on the camera about, you know, signing Rice Krispie treats. I'm just saying, it's just never been done. And anyway, I'll come back down to earth. I'll come back down to earth later on today when I get to the shop and everybody knows who I am there, and they're not asking for my autograph, selfies, or anything like that. They're just like, hey, that's Ike. And quite honestly, I'm good with that. I like being just Ike. A lot of you guys don't even know that about me. You think, oh, big YouTube, especially after last video. No, I really like being just Ike. It's really cool. I do like being me. And you should like being you, no matter who you are. You should like being you. Keep positive. Listen, I know people that's got issues going on in their life, whatever it may be, job, relationships, or whatnot. Just be yourself and put a smile on your daggone face. All right, I know sometimes it's difficult to do that. I've had my hard times, you know, and it's difficult to put a smile on your face. But even if you gotta fake it, just, you know, put it on there. You never know, it may brighten up your day or brighten up someone else's day. All right, enough of this mushy stuff. We're here at the TRC shop. By the way, this shop right here, it's a shop for open to the public, right? So if you got a truck you need worked on or something like that, it's over here by the TA, off Council Road, off I-40, or behind the TA. So yeah, so if you need some truck repair, inspection, all sorts of stuff they do here. TRC truck trailer repair, right across the street from this Pilot place over here. It's Pilot. Here's a shop. Looks like they're all at lunch. It's all quiet in here. Hardly ever see it this quiet. It's probably at lunch.
Look at this thing. So, Jason stopped by to give you this to you.
Yeah, I got his email.
Yeah.
Like afterwards, but I talked to you.
I was gonna steal it from him. I didn't want to give this to you because this is a classic
that doggone stealing it.
I was gonna you know how much my dad would love this? My dad would shit his pants if I gave him this as a gift. Like I wanted for myself.
Can't fit in.
I was gonna be like,
on the wall.
Yeah, you know, because it's a 2X. It'll fit me. Fit my dad perfect. Sure,
Yeah.
sure you don't want to have it?
Well, the guy gave it to me. Like the Jason.
Jason, you sure you can't let me have it instead?
His guy, his weird last name starts with an H.
Yeah, I don't remember his last
He
name.
wants to see it up on the freaking wall. That's what it is. So.
But yeah, it's a nice looking jacket though. Classic, old school.
How about this? I put it up on the wall for a little while. I can't fit in it, but
I think you should try it on.
I will try it on.
Like
Let's
Chris
just try
Farley,
it.
fat
Yeah, fat guy in a little coat. Yeah. All right, here we go. Try this. Try this on. I love this crap. I love it when people send me crap, especially when it has something to do with Dale Earnhardt. But mind you, I am 6'4", 300 blah blah pounds. This is a 2XL. Hey, this ain't too bad, dude. Look at this. No, I'm 2XL now. I could probably use a little bit in the gut, lose a little bit. Look here. Hang on. This ain't bad. Oh shoot, you don't have to wear this. I mean, listen, I'm supposed to like lose 100 pounds. Look at that. Hey. Look at this. Look at this. Fits good. Hey, look at this. It ain't that bad.
Oh my God. Look at this shit. Now lift your arms up. Hi, Jessica.
Hi, how are you?
All right, we're all unloaded and we got a trailer swapped and everything. I tell you what, I showed you guys the jacket. Thought that's really cool. Really cool when people send you stuff. Oh, that was my thing. People send you stuff, and then the whole yesterday with the Rice Krispie treat. Oh, that's crazy. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching the video here. TheTruckersMattress.com. I'll be promoting that a lot more. Whoa! Some Bayonne. I'll be promoting that a whole lot more, so you guys stay tuned for that. TRC freight, 88%. You know how it goes. But shout out to everyone watching. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you guys next time. When that is, I don't know, because I got to get home and do a bunch of video stuff. I can't do the Bonehead Truckers while I'm out here on the road. And so I can get home and make people, thousands of viewers happy. So that 70-30.